In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up autopay for vendors in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to schedule recurring payments so your bills get paid on time without manual work. First, sign into QuickBooks Online using an account with the right permissions to manage payments. If your company uses multi-factor authentication, have your verification method handy so you can get in smoothly. Once you're in, head to the left navigation and open expenses, then choose vendors. This is your vendor list where you can see everyone you pay. If you have a long list, use the search bar at the top to find the vendor you want to set on autopay. Click that vendor to open their details. Inside the vendor profile, look for an option that says set up autopay. If you see it, you're ready to continue. If you don't see that button, you may need to connect a payment method first, like your bank account or a business credit card. QuickBooks will guide you through a secure connection flow. Follow the prompts, select your account, and complete any verification your bank requires. Keep in mind that availability of autopay can vary by region, plan, and vendor eligibility. With a payment method connected, it's time to configure the autopay details. Choose the payment source you want to use, then set the amount. You can opt to pay the full balance due or a specific fixed amount if your bills are predictable. Next, pick your schedule. For many businesses, paying on the due date works well, but building in a buffer of a day or two can help account for bank processing times. Select the start date, and if there's an end date or number of payments, add that too. Double check the time zone, any processing cutoff notes, and consider leaving a memo for your records so it's clear why the payment runs. Before you activate, review the summary carefully, confirm the vendor, payment method, amount, frequency, and start date. Make sure the cash will be available in your account on the scheduled days. When everything looks right, confirm and activate autopay. You should now see an active status for that vendor, and QuickBooks will handle those payments on the schedule you set. If you need to make changes later, return to the vendor's page to pause, edit, or cancel the schedule. Keep an eye on your upcoming bills and bank balance, and consider turning on notifications so you're alerted before payments run. That's it. Your vendor autopay in QuickBooks Online is set up and ready to save you time.